Hey Gems, today we're going to be doing a haul video for H&M. We're going to see what's fun, flirty, and fresh for their spring collection because, you know, spring is here and summer is near. Hopefully I put this video up before it's summer, but I think I only have like a week left. But continue watching if you want to see what they have in store for you guys to get yourself. I am in love with this two-piece set that I got from H&M, as you will see on the side little thing. Yes, it is super cute. Honestly, I do really like it. The skirt is like a circle skirt and it's not too short. My thing is because I am very tall, so a lot of things that I put on are crazy short, and you know, my butt cheeks hang out or it just looks inappropriate. But it's so cute and like airy, and it just looks so playful and fun, and that's all I can really say about it. But then it also comes, the top is like this little, not a tube top, but it's like, I guess a crop top that ties in the back but shaped like a tube top. I don't know how I'd explain this top exactly, but I really do like it. It's fun and flirty, but the only thing is it does make my boobs look really flat. As you see, I have cleavage, but it does go above, which is perfectly fine. You don't need to always show off your boobs. I just don't know, because you can't wear a bra in it. Or you can, but then you're going to see it, and I just don't think that's cute. So yeah, I didn't wear a bra with it, but I just feel like my boobs just don't look that cute. But the outfit itself is really cute, and I found like a cute way to style it, which is going to be in a different video. But it ties up in the back, and it has like thicker straps, which I really like. So it's not spaghetti straps, it's thicker. I feel like it's more durable. It looks it doesn't look cheap too, because one thing I know about some two-piece sets, they look kind of cheap. And one thing I noticed, like where I got my tattoo, I literally you can't see my tattoo like in everything else. People can never see what I got on my ribcage, which I think is really funny, because people are like, do you even have tattoos? But even though I have one on my arm, but people don't even notice that sometimes. But yes, this is a super cute, light, two-piece set that if they had other colors, I probably would get it, because it is, like I said, I don't know how many times I can say cute, but it really is. So you feel kind of like adorable. Is that weird to say? You feel adorable? Like I feel adorable in it when I wear it. Is that in the frame? Okay, it's not. Boobs. So the next outfit that makes me feel kind of like sophisticated, like a grown woman, you know, that I have my stuff together, is this skirt right here. Ooh, ow, my nail. This skirt right here, it's super elegant, honestly. It's super elegant. It's really long, and I'm not usually a fan of asymmetrical or like diagonal skirts or all these cuts and stuff. Like I'm not a person that usually likes that. I'm usually think it looks really cheap or really old, like back in like, you know, 2012 and stuff like that, when we used to have like the half skirts or like the high-low dresses. Yeah, not a fan of that. But I don't know, lately it's been catching my eye. Maybe because it's around so much now, your body kind of gets used to it. But it has like the little pleating and paneling on it, and a nice thin band that curls kind of on me, not too much. And because it has like the two little clips here, so it stays exactly tight and snug on your waist. But it just makes you look slim, you look elegant, you look grown, you look like you're here for business. You know, you don't always have to dress like a thotty thot and have your cleavage out all the time, you know? The next the next item that I got is this really peachy, is it peach? Yeah, peachy nude dress. I got it a couple sizes bigger because, or no, oh, not too big. Got it a size bigger because I want it to be really baggy. So days that I don't want to, I just want to throw something on and I'm bloated or I'm eating a lot, I can just have it baggy, simple, whatever. But then I styled it or whatever and showed my mom, and I feel like I'm gonna do a whole styling video with this. But like with a belt, because it's so baggy, it just looks so, I don't want to say elegant, but it's cute. It's very whimsical. That's the word I'm thinking of. It's very whimsical because of the way like the arms are and like the pleating on the neckline. So it's very whimsical and like princessy and very innocent, like, you know, because we're all trying to be a little bit innocent over here. But yeah, it's like polka dotted, and I don't know, it doesn't look cheap to me. And I feel like a lot of clothes I've been looking at lately have looked kind of like, it looks a bit cheap or looks like this and that. But it feels quality. It feels pretty good. It feels thick. But I also have not shopped in like a while. It's been a while. I'm shopping for my new body because I gained a little bit of weight. So yeah, your girl has to pick clothes, pick clothes that fit her. But yeah, so this is basically just a simple, cute peach dress that's very whimsical and flirty, and I have the perfect way to style it, and I think you're gonna have to check out, I think I'm gonna do it on Instagram story or do a lookbook on styling all these items that I got from, yeah. You ever throw something and you're just hoping that you don't have, like, I have a lot of open pens and things, so I'm just hoping I don't get it on any of the clothes that I throw in my bed. And lastly, okay. Lastly, I got this really adorable top. It has like really nice buttons on it. And it kind of reminds me of like, I don't know, something French or Italian. Don't quote me on it because I've never. It gives me like a vintage vibe or like European vibe. And like, I had a shirt like this before in red. But it was extremely small, and now it just covers like one boob because like I said, I gained weight, so I can't wear it anymore. And I really love the style of it with the puffy sleeves. And if you guys suffer from back fat or like bra fat, or like you just have, I have a very meaty, like meaty side right here, okay? And arms. But I feel like it hits me in the right spot on my arm so it doesn't make me look too big, but also that meaty, that little meaty spot, it covers it because I don't know if I could show, but like the way it fits on your waistline, it's tight, but then it has this little like, it's a bit more fluffy and stuff on it, so it actually like covers that up. You can wear a bra in it, but honestly, I didn't really wear a bra in it. You can put like little boob pads in maybe and keep it simple. I feel like with this shirt here, you don't want to be too boobalicious because it is very cropped, and I feel like it takes away the classiness of it, and like it's like super cute, innocent, sexy still. How many times am I going to say cute? It should be a drinking game. So I just say last, that was the last thing I got, but I actually am mistaken. The last two, this shortly but not least, I have one more item after this, are these shoes right here. They are so, I'm going to say it again, but cute. I cannot tell you how cute they are. There's like a little stain on it in the front toe area, like here. But honestly, I'm not that person that's going to be too picky about it, just because if you think about it, your feet are going to cover it. It's going to get dirty anyways because it's a sandal. And I didn't want to pass them up because, like I said, they are so cute. And I have my outfit, this with the little white let me tell you. And they're comfortable. I haven't worn them outside yet. There's so much hair on the bottom of them. Hopefully you can't see that. I haven't worn them outside yet, but oh my gosh, let me tell you, they are, oh my gosh. And they're my favorite color. Like one of my favorite colors. Like I love this mustard yellow color. Like I feel like this looks good on my skin tone. So yeah, these are one of the pairs I got. I really want, they have other, they had a nude one and a black one, but I don't think they have my size. I was going to go back and I called them. They're like, we don't have it. Oh, my boobs. I'm sorry, my bra keeps showing. You're like, just do the button up. I can't. Like I said, I gained weight. It doesn't do up anymore. But these, oh my gosh, they're so cute. They're so comfortable and they're not crazy high. So your girl's going to be wearing these out. And now that I'm single, you know, you got to be like, wear your heels because whatever. And the last item are just some simple ballerina flats. I have a lot of running shoes and like heels behind me, and I used to have a lot of flats and different types of flat shoes that went with my outfits, but I've worn them out so much that they're broken. I had a pair of shoes just like these before, not from H&M, but something similar in the same color, and I loved them just to throw on sometimes because, like, if I'm going to the office, or I'm going for a meeting, if I'm just going to run and hang out with my friends, or just, I don't know, I'm acting like I have a life. I don't have a life. I shouldn't even buy clothes. I don't do nothing with myself. But if I didn't want to wear running shoes all the time and not substituting for heels, because, like, I either have heels or running shoes, and I have to start getting some flat shoes because, you know, there's things in between. So that's why I got these little cute ballerina flats. There's nothing fancy about them. They're just velvet, suede, a little pink pastel-y color. But yeah, they're basically replacing a pair of shoes that I already had because I seen them and was like, ooh, why don't I get these again? Why pink? I don't know, why not? So that is the last item that I got from H&M. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm Tiera Lovelle. Please like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think I should get, what do you think I should try. I know they have a lot of accessories that I've actually caught my eye. Usually I'm like, this is not cute, but they have a few things that I'm like, ooh, I'm liking. It's been pulling on my heartstrings lately, H&M. Usually I kind of phased out of it for a bit and I was like, this is not really my style, this is not really my thing, I'm not feeling it. But I don't know, this collection I was like, ooh, it's actually pretty nice. And they have other things that are not just so formal and like cutie, like they have other things too, but this is just kind of the vibe that I was going for when I went in. I was even trying to buy a bunch of stuff, but you know, when you end up shopping, when you're supposed to spend like 50 bucks and you spend, I'm not gonna say how much, but check it out yourself. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. See you later, gems.
For a better thing, wanna replace me? I'm in a place that I've never been. It's worse than lonely.